On Amazon, there are so many categories, but not all the categories have a good selling command. If we particulate the category, then Amazon has 36 types of categories with more than 25,000 subcategories. That's a huge number, right? So among these, we find two best-selling categories, which are home and kitchen and beauty and personal care categories. And the sale percentage is 32% and 23% respectively. To reach a good selling point, they must have A plus content on their product page to showcase their product that will help to get a profit on Amazon. With the help of Amazon A plus content, a seller can quickly grab customers' attention and also have a good sales. Hi, I'm Nushat from Ecomflips. Today, we will share some valuable points on how to design beauty product A plus content and make the A plus stand out. To reach a good selling point, you need to showcase your product so the customers can know about your product and buy. And for this, A plus is a must-have for any sellers to have on their product page. Today, we will share some valuable points on how to design a beauty product A plus content and make the A plus stand out. When making an A plus content for any kind of beauty product, we may first keep some must-have thing in mind. The product image should be in high resolution. The model image based on the product. A soft color theme for the A plus to match the product, focus on the product and make sure that in the image the product is standing out. Now let's see some A plus content images and describe them separately. In this particular module, we focus on the product and try to highlight the product in the first module of our A plus content. We choose a nice, soft, smooth color image with high resolution so that the first one stand out and attract the buyers. Secondly, we explain all the details of the product so that the customers can see the product along with the description and get to know about it clearly. We highlight all the main information in the section that customers often want to know before buying the product. In the third module, we give the features, keeping in mind that the product need to highlight it in the image. All the features of the product are clearly highlighted along with a sample sentence. The fourth module contains a lifestyle image along with some slogan to highlight. In the fifth module, we use three 500 into 500 banner module where we use three different lifestyle to describe more about the product. In the sixth module, we again choose a lifestyle image to show as a gift material along with a slogan text. And at the bottom, we show all the product colors available so that the customer can find their appropriate one from them. No need to follow this pattern. The pattern is totally depend on your choice, what you want to highlight and how you want to represent the product. Some points that are important for Amazon A Plus content. But that's not all. There are so many ways that you have to know. We will give you more information and tips in the future, so be with us. If you find this information useful, please comment, like, share and be with Ecomflips. If you find any difficulties organizing your Amazon Vendor Central or need any help related to Vendor Central, please contact us. We'll give you full support to solve your problem with our top-rated Amazon specialist. Thanks for watching.